Let me read the sum. X, Y, Z were sharing profits in the ratio of 3 is to 1 is to 1 respectively. They decided to dissolve their firm on 31st March 2017 when their position are as follows, he said. Now, all the assets are machinery for debtors for bad debts, cash in hand. Gave X capital, Y capital, Z capital, and sundry creditors. So outside two things, one is loan, one is creditor. What he gave. He said to take over furniture at 2,400 and debtors amounting to 60,000 at 51,600. But this point you keep in mind. Total debtors were 72,600 kada. Provision for bad debts తీసేసేయండి. It becomes a liability now. Total debtors were 72,600 ma. From that one, how much he is taking ma? 60,000 worth he is taking for 51,600 itself. Be careful in reading the things. And also creditors at their book value. So that means X is ready to pay the creditors also. He is taking the responsibility to pay X amount also. Sorry, creditors amount also. Y agreed to take over stock at 21,000 and part of machineries. Not total ma, only a part of machinery he is taking it since. Part of machinery at 21,600 being a book value less 10% itself. So 10% of book value ఏదైతే ఉందో అందులో మనకి ఎంత వచ్చిందంటే రియలైజ్డ్ వాల్యూ 10% less. So these working part I will tell you, then we'll go for the sums. Z agreed to take over the remaining machinery at 90% of book value less 300 as allowance, he said. He also assumed the responsibility for the payment of loan together with accrued interest of 90%, not recorded in books. So extra 90% interest is there. Dissolution expenses amounted to 810. Remaining debtors were sold at debt collecting agency at 50% book value. Prepare important ledger accounts, close the books, he said. So here, the sum is, actually there are no many adjustments, but the thing is, the adjustment part we have to be little bit careful. So what is it is, first we are going to go with working notes. So first working notes, ma. See here, first point what he said, X was taking its sims. X was taking what? So here, what are the adjustments? I'll be telling you first, then we'll go with actual problem because he is not asking any journal entries, so we can complete it easily. Adjustments. So first adjustment, he was talking about what, ma? He said, X agreed to take over furniture at 2,400 HM. So X is taking what? Here X capital is taking furniture. First one he is taking what, ma? Furniture. So how much is the value it seems? 21,000. Then continuation. In the first point only we are still there. Debtors amounting to rupees 60,000. Now see here, I'll tell you how it is. Now this value I'm writing here. In this one B bit, debtors actual value is how much it seems? 60,000. That he is taking for how much it seems? That he is taking for 51,600 it seems. So is this clear how he said? This is how much he has taken. Now, next one, in that same point, he is also ready to pay the creditors amount. So here he is making a payment of whom? Creditors also is done by this person only. So creditors amount is how much? 18,000, and this 18,000 amount is actually paid by the X. So this first point is about X. Now come down to the second point. Did he speak about Y? Yeah.
Y capital, what is taking? We'll see. Y is taking stock. First, Y is taking what? Stock. How much he's taking the stock, ma? He's taking at 21,000 only. And part of machinery at 21,600, which is being less than 10% అంటే బుక్ వాల్యూ కంటే 10% వాల్యూలో వాడు తీసుకున్నాడంట. సో హౌ మచ్ ఈస్ ద మెషినరీ? ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ. మెషినరీ వీ డోంట్ నో హౌ మచ్. ఐ హ్యావ్ టు డిసైడ్ నౌ. We don't know, but he said the value is how much we are getting it seems 21,600 we are getting it seems. We don't know how much is that, but he said this is actually a 90%. 10% less ani ante enta percent ante we have to assume 100 noma. So he said it is actually value of book values 10% less value, he said. So I should assume let the total value be 100. And he gave about information about how much ma? He gave information about 90%. So now using the same equation, I'll see that for 90%, if the value is 21,600, now I want for how much? I want to know for 100%. How much? Now cross multiply, tell me. 21,600 into 100 divided by 90. How much you got? Did anybody got? I got the answer.
24,000.
Yeah, 24,000. So here I'm writing in the bracket, the actual value is 24,000. So is this clear how he has found out? So this is the way he has done. So that means the actual machinery value was 51,000 ma. From 51,000, he took, Y took only how much bit? He took only 24 worth of asset, not total. Now Y's information is also completed. Now come down to the Z capital. Z is taking what? Z take over remaining machinery at 90% book value. So Z is also taking what? Again balance of machinery. Now balance is how much? Now you just see the textbook. Total machinery value is how much, ma? 51,000 minus how much was the above point? How much was the above he has taken? 24. So 24 if I minus, I'm not going to take realized value. I'm talking only about a book value. Okay, I'm talking only about what? Book value. So it will be how much?
27.
27. Okay, is equal to 27,000. Now these 27,000, how much for he is taking it seems? He is taking 90%. How much realized it seems? 90% realized. Now please tell me 27,000 into 90% means how much? Got the answer? I got it.
24,300.
24,300. So this one, yeah, about machinery, he has done it. Now for taking this part, he is paying some expenses, it seems, allowances, expenses in the form of allowances. So that one we are going to take it as a expenses. We are going to show it on the debit side. So how much is the amount? 300. Now this is also done. Next, apart from that, he is taking anything? Yeah. He also assumed the responsibility of payment of loan together with interest accrued 90%. So loan value is how much ma actually in the textbook? 4,500. So loan he is paying along with the interest it seems. So actual loan value is how much? Actual loan value is 4,500 plus 90% accrued interest. So total interest will be how much? Total amount he is going to pay is 4,590. Now all the things are done, no? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, the things all been done. Yeah, Fourth one, dissolution expenses, it's okay, no problem. Fourth one, adjustment, this is about third. And here now I'm going to talk about fourth. Fourth is just dissolution expenses. Dissolution expenses, how much is it? Just observe how I'm taking. All the expenses I'm taking in a little bit right side. All the assets information I'm taking on the left side. So that you just keep in a mind how I took. Next, fifth point. Yeah, now fifth point, balance debtors were sold off, it seems. How much? How I know that the balance debtors were sold? So that's why go to the point number where he took where he has yeah. Now debtors worth of 60. In the first point here it is there, no? Debtors worth of 60. Now actual debtors are how much I said? 72,000. 72,600. 72,600 minus 60,000 is already taken by X. So that's why leave it. So it will be how much? 12,600. 12,600. 12,600, no? So see how much it is realized, it seems, ma? It realized 50%, it seems. So 12,600 50% అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది మనకి అప్పుడు? It will be 6,300. Yeah. Got it? That's it. Take down the screenshots. Is this clear?
Wait, madam.
Now we'll start doing the accounts. Can I clear it off now?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, I'm clearing it. Now we'll start drawing the accounts and we'll. So first foremost is realization. Then simultaneously I'm going to draw cash account also. Here we have 3 partners, no? So we are going to draw 3 accounts.
X partner, Y partner, Z partner.
Yeah. Yeah, now we'll start. First, we have to transfer all the assets, Noma. So as it is, we are going to transfer all the assets. So what are the assets we had first? To machinery, which is 51. All the book values I'm going to transfer. Next, after machinery, I had furniture. Furniture, which was 3,000. Next, stock. Sorry. Stock. How much was the stock value? 23,300. No? 23,400. Next, to
Almost
debtors.
20,400.
Debtors will take gross value, no, always here. So 72,600 here. Now this is done. Yeah, that's it. Cash will have a separate account. Now debit side or 4 assets, I have taken it. Debtors over. Now credit side, we have to transfer like same liabilities, no? So by loan I have, first is provision for bad debts I'll take. Provision for bad debts, which is 3,600. Then by loan, which is 4,500. Then by creditors, 18,000 here. Now, please have a look if you have a screenshots, what all the X has taken. We have found out, no, something. X was taking what, ma? X was taking in the
18,000, madam.
X capital. Yeah, X was first working notes indaka chesam kada. Working
Yes,
notes
madam.
మనం చూసాం కదా. X was taking total assets. X
Total
took
assets.
first furniture. X took what? First he took furniture.
Sure.
How much for he took?
21,000.
Oi,
Furniture.
furniture.
18,000.
2,400. First. Then buy X again.
Yes, ma'am. 21,000 రాశారు మ్యామ్ అది 2,400.
2,400 కదా.
21,000 అని రాశారు.
లేదు నాన్న చూడండి 2,400
మేడం మీరు రాసిన
21,000
అట్లా నాన్న. ఫర్నిచర్ ఐ హావ్ రిటన్ 2,400. సి ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ రబ్బింగ్ ఇట్ మళ్ళీ రాస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా, కనిపిస్తుందా?
ఇక్కడ కాదు మేడం, ఇందాక స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకున్నాను అక్కడ.
అచ్చా అవునా, అది 21,000 రాసానా? ఓకే ఓకే, సారీ. ఫర్నిచర్
అది 2,400 మ్యామ్.
యా 2,400.
ఓకే
ఓకే ఓకే, సరే అది మరి ఎందుకు అట్లా రాస్తున్నాను చూడలేదు సరిగా. సరే, నెక్స్ట్ బై he took debtors also. So debtors he took for how much na? He took 51,600 I said, no? Then again X was ready to pay what? Creditors. So here I'm going to write to X capital, he is ready to pay creditors. So how much is the creditors value? 18,000. So this is going to his account. Now X related information is completed. Now come down to the Y. Y is taking what? Y capital. First Y took what, ma? Y has taken stock. So stock, how much for he is taking? Y stock he has taken 21,000. So here 21,000, there I have copied, I think. So again by Y capital, he also took a part of machinery, no? So here machinery, how much it is? 21,600. This is done. Again, Y is taking any responsibility? No, Y is not taking any responsibility. He took only these two things, nothing else. He is not even ready to pay any liability. Now come down to the Z. So by Z capital, Z took what, ma? Z has taken remaining machinery at 90%. So we got how much value? Please tell me. Something we got 24,300, no? 24,300. Remaining machinery he took, and we got for that value 23,400. 24,300.
24,300.
24,300. Okay. And Z was taking responsibility of payment of liabilities here. So that's why here I'm going to write to Z capital. First, he paid some allowances, ma. So how much he paid allowances? He paid some 300 as a allowances. Actually, he said deduct it from the machinery, but I'm not doing it. I'm posting it opposite side. It becomes easy for you. Okay, either from machinery you can minus, or else you can minus it from here. Okay, Nama? Now, Z capital, he's also paying what? Loan along with the interest. So how much it came? 4590. That's it, no? All the things we have taken it. Now we are going to see actual cash. Did we get in any format? Yes. The last adjustment is we have got buy cash by selling what? Debtors. How much we sold for? 6,300. At the same time, here we also paid expenses also. So to cash, we paid expenses. How much was the expenses we paid? It was some 810. Now all the things are done. Now please tell me whether we get a profit or a loss. I'm doing debit side. If anybody wants, you do it. Sorry, one second. Yeah, do it. I'm doing on a debit side. You do it on a credit side. My debit side total I got 173,700. I got debit side total 173,700. 173,700.
మేడం క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ చేసే 1,53,300 వచ్చింది మేడం.
Okay, so obviously debit side ekkundi kada. So cheppu enta? 173,700 minus 1,50,000.
3,300.
Okay, so
1,53,300.
Yeah, 20,400 ostundi. So here we have got loss, and loss manam evariki 3 parts ki divide cheyali. So by first is X capital. His ratio is how much, ma? His ratio is 3/5. So 3 divided by 5 cheste 12,240 ostundi. 12,240. You are going to get it. And then by Y capital, he is going to get 1/5. Simple ga 20,400 divide cheste 1/5 vachestundi. So appudu ala cheste 4080 will be the answer. By Z capital, his ratio will be also same, because his ratio is also 1/8 only. So 4080 plus 4080 is equal to how much is the total loss, ma? 20,400. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, madam.
Totals, I'm writing here. 1,7 1700 I said. 1,73700 over. Now please come down to the cash. Cash and the accounts will do simultaneously. Now cash is a part of asset, so opening balance will be balance brought down. So how much is the cash balance in the textbook? 9,600. Now realization, do we find any cashes, ma? Yes. Here we have, first I'm on the debit side, so I'll look for the realization credit side. So I have debtors sold. So here to realization, debtors were sold for 6,300 that I took. Now I'm going to come down to this side. Do I have anything? So yes, here I have, please see, cash is on the debit side. So cash is on a debit side. So that's why by realization, this was related to the expenses. So amount was 810. Now these things I have taken from the realization which were related to the cash. Now come down to the capitals. So here first foremost is by balance brought down. First person's capital is, how much is first person's capital? 82,500. 82,500. Second person's is 30,000. Third person is 21,000. And did we get a profit or a loss here, ma? We got a loss, so that's why it will not come. Now please move on to the realization, because we have to just copy and paste, no? So just see realization. Do I find anything? I'm on this side, credit side, no ma. First I'll see this part of the realization. Do I have X, Y, Z? So that means yes, X is there and Z is there. Y is not there, but X and Z are there. So what is that? By realization, first one, he is paying what? Creditors. Who? X is paying creditors value. So that's why here I'm going to write 18,000. And X is not paying anything else. Then I'm going to go for writing by realization. Now Z is paying what? Loan along with the interest. So here in the column of Z, I'm going to write as 4590. Now this is done. Apart from that, here Z also paid some allowances, no? So here I'm going to write again by realization within a bracket allowance. So how much he paid? 300. Now all the debit side done. Now please come down to the here and you see realization this side, because postings will be opposite, no? So these postings will come on this side. Now first and foremost is realization loss. Ayappa. Where I have to see format. Why so much of big it is coming? Suddenly so change. Okay, whatever it is, I'm writing the same. To realization loss. First we got a loss, Noma. So how much is a loss? We have shared 12,240 for 1%. Next person 4080, and next again 4080. This is done. Next again to realization. My time is up, so that's why be fast. Next they took assets, no? So how much they have taken assets? But you write it clearly. I'm writing clubbed together. Assets, I'm writing it club. Okay. So because time is up, so I have to complete it. And Y has taken 42,600 and Z has taken 24,300. And apart from that, now please total it, ma. Please total it. You see how it has come. You just adjust it, Ray. Okay. You write it properly.
66 240 debit side X.
Okay. 2 cash. Balancing figure you tell me, ma.
Okay. బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ఫిగర్ ఇక్కడ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ లో వస్తుంది మేడం 34 260.
ఎవరికి?
ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్
డెబిట్ సైడ్ వస్తుందా? ఎక్స్ కి డెబిట్ సైడ్ వస్తుంది, వై అండ్ జెడ్ కి క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ వస్తుంది. అమౌంట్ చూడండి, 82,500 ప్లస్ 18,000 చేస్తేనే నీకు 1,05,000 వచ్చేస్తుంది నానా. 1,05,000 మైనస్ 12 to 40 minus 54,000. You're going to get 34,260.
yes ma'am, correct.
For these fellow 32, how much? 260 you're going to get.
260.
Whereas for these people, yeah, you're going
30,
to get
34 260.
34,260, yeah. Arey Rama. Undo we can say. Okay, I got it. How much? 34,260. Okay. Whereas here, you're going to get this side. You're going to write
16,
buy cash balancing figure. First persons.
16,680.
Yeah, 16,680. And second persons? Shall I write? 2490, cross check. Ma, you just total it because it's already time up. Let me complete first. 2 wife capital. How much he has to get, ma? Every time we have to give him, but this time he is giving us. So 2 Z capital, he is giving 2,490. Whereas here, by X capital 34,260. Ma, someone please take screenshots. Anybody have taken a screenshots? Please take down screenshots of attendance. The session may end at any time.
Attendance, ma'am?
Yeah, please take down fast. Session may end at any time, please.